Akshay also wanted to talk about Larsen and Toubro. L&T on a whole delivered a very healthy set of numbers, exceeding the street's expectations, on most front. But I think what stood out for me personally was that order book, which grew by about 72% on a year-on-year basis. And management also has, expects L&T to outperform their FY24 guidance on both as far as revenue is concerned and EBITDA is concerned. But the stock this morning is down about 0.7% or so, and in the last month we have seen a fair bit of correction taking place in this stock. It's down about 5% or so odd levels. What's the story there? Why are we seeing this this correction in L&T playing out?
See, the stock is a bit overstretched. The technical structure is strong. It's just that the stock is overstretched on the technical parameters. Now, if you look at the overall activity from the 3100 to the slight correction which we saw till 2800, a lot of shorts were built in the month of November, as I understand, based on the derivatives outlook. Today, even after the result outlook, despite good numbers from L&T, we are not seeing any positive reaction post the results. So clearly, the market is going to take this result as more of a non-event. It looks like it's going to stay on the sideways or a range-bound trades, as I understand. The crucial support you need to mark here is the level of 2850. So till L&T trades about 2850, there is no danger to the stock. In case that breaks, then that would be a short-term sell trigger. There is no long-term panic, but a short-term trigger which might see some degree of weakness. As it currently stands, I'm seeing a range, 2850 being the lower end of the range and 3000 being the upper end of the range. The stock is expected to trade within this range and no major risks are seen as yet as far as the broader chart structure is seen in Larsen and Toubro.
All right, L&T is expected to trade in a consolidation in a range of about 150 points or so. As you were also seeing on your screen the numbers, the report card of L&T, I think the revenue is up by 44% or so. Profit figures have also, come in ahead of the street expectations, coming in at 19.3% on a year-on-year basis. EBITDA, earnings before interest, tax and depreciation, has also improved by 15% on a year-on-year basis. So that's the view on L&T.